So we're going to be moving on to 2 exercises which are really important for the thigh muscles. The inner range one, which is your VMO, and then the big thigh muscle here, your rec fem. So the first one is slightly easier, but neither of them are easy by any means. You're going to place a rolled up towel, a cushion or a ball underneath the knee. You're going to flex the foot, turn it out slightly to 45 degrees, again supporting the back, and then from there you're going to push that knee as hard as you can down in towards the towel, the pillow or whatever you have underneath the knee. Really lock that knee out if you can. If you're pushing hard enough, the heel should raise. We've got a 10-second hold, have a little look down, have a feel. This inner one here should be working. From there, relax on down. We're going to repeat again, pushing that knee really hard into the towel. Push, push, push. Make sure that this muscle here is working. 10 seconds. Pull the core in as well. Never forget about the core. And relax off. Again, 10-second hold, 10 reps each one. We're going a little bit harder now, guys, I'm afraid, okay? This one is difficult for someone who hasn't even had surgery, so you've got this. Flex the foot, turn out 45 degrees, support from here. Even when you do that, you should feel that the muscles are kicking in already. From there, pull those stomach muscles in, lift just a few inches. You might start shaking, that's normal. Okay, from there, lower back down. And for this one, I'm only going to make you hold for 5 seconds because it's very challenging. You're going to come up, even if you can only do a second. I don't blame you, okay, but try and progress it. And back down again. And that is for this bigger quad muscle here and the hip flexor, which is so important. 10 reps, 10 seconds each.